Hello, I'm Shaurya, and the topic for my project is Tools for Android App Development. Android software development is the process by which new applications are created for devices running the Android operating system. Google states that Android apps can be written using Kotlin, Java, and C++ languages using the Android Software Development Kit, while using other languages is also possible. All non-JVM languages such as Go, JavaScript, C, C++, or assembly need the help of JVM language code that may be supplied by tools likely with restricted API support. Some programming languages and tools allow cross-platform app support, i.e. for both Android and iOS. Third-party tools, development environments, and language support have also continued to evolve and expand since the initial SDK was released in 2008. Now we will see some app development tools. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system, built on JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA software and designed specifically for Android development. It is available for download on Windows, macOS, and Linux-based operating systems. It is a replacement for the Eclipse Android development tools as the primary IDE for native Android application development. It is an IDE tool to develop your Android app. It simplifies and auto-generates Java files, directories, placeholders, icons, manifest file, XML files, and many other things. Simple to use than Eclipse. It has other functions too, including debugging, etc. In one line, an all-in-one tool to develop Android app. Eclipse is an integrated development environment used in computer programming and in 2014 was the most widely used Java IDE in one website's poll. It contains a base workspace and an extensible plugin system for customizing the environment. Eclipse is written mostly in Java and its primary use is for developing Java applications. But it may also be used to develop applications in other programming languages via plugins, including ADA, ABAP, C, C++, C Sharp, Clojure, COBOL, Erlang, Fortran, Groovy, Haskell, JavaScript, Julia, Lasso, Lua, Natural, Perl, PHP, Prolog, Python, R, Ruby, Rust, Scala, and Stream. It can also be used to develop documents with LaTeX and packages for the software mathematical. Development environments include the Eclipse Java development tools for Java and Scala, Eclipse CDT for C, C++, and Eclipse PDT for PHP, among others. Gradle is an open source build automation system that builds upon the concepts of Apache ANT and Apache Maven and introduces a Groovy based domain specific language DSL instead of the XML form used by Apache Maven for declaring the project configuration. Gradle uses a directed acyclic graph DAG to determine the order in which tasks can be run. Gradle was designed for multi-project builds, which can grow to be quite large. It supports incremental building by intelligently determining which parts of the build tree are up to date. Any task dependent only on those parts does not need to be re-executed. Java is a general purpose programming language that is class-based, object-oriented, and designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is intended to let application developers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need of recompilation. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine, regardless of the underlying computer architecture. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++, but it has fewer low-level facilities than either of them. As of 2019, Java was one of the most popular programming languages in use according to GitHub, particularly for client-server web applications, with a reported 9 million developers.